Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you guys my new releases that are in my Etsy shop. I'm going to be releasing and showing you guys July kits, August kits, and the July through September budget bundles. So first up, I'm just going to show you guys what they look like outside of a planner, and then I'm going to show you guys what they look like inside of the planner because I'm going to put them inside of my actual planner. While I fully had intentions of releasing these items back in May, a lot of stuff happened in May. My nieces came to stay with us early and tragedies took place in May, some that were more personal to me. So it was a lot going on in May, but I'm here now and I'm committed to working in the shop diligently to get you guys your stuff before July. So at this point, it's a good 2.5 weeks left in the month. I would encourage you guys to order within the next week, week and a half if you want your items before the beginning of July. There will be no cap on the August and July kits, but of course, I'm only releasing a limited amount of bundles because I can only fill so many bundles within any given time frame. So I'm going to be releasing 25 bundles. Understand that 25 bundles is really 25 times 3, so it's really more like 75 kits, if that makes sense, and that's a whole lot. But of course, once the 25 starts to dwindle down and once I start to work through those, then I will be more than happy to release more. But I would encourage you guys to purchase these items as quickly as you can, just so that you get them before July. Of course, everything is on sale and in the shop right now. My Etsy shop is Shays Budget Shop with no spaces. Links will be down in the comment section and in the description box. So like I said, you can pick them up right now after you watch the video, of course, because I want you guys to know what they look like, specifically what they're gonna look like in the new Erin Condren Deluxe monthly planners. So let's go ahead and look at the kits while they are in their purest form, and then I'm going to put them in my actual planner. Okay, so I've turned the brightness down on the camera so they look pretty pure. So for July, I have gone with a leopard pattern and I really like it. And of course, when I go like heavier or darker in the colors for the actual top washi or the decorative washi, I try to go lighter with everything else, so it's, you know, it's like a nice contrast. So for which case, we are going to have some light blue washi strips and payday flags and bill due stickers, and then of course the scripts are going to be black, of course. This is a classic kit, which means that it will fit the Erin Condren 7x9 Deluxe monthly planner, and this is the smallest kit that you can get for this particular planner or that particular planner. If you want more stickers, then you would need to purchase the full EC. I will have these available for the mini happy planner, for the petite EC, which is A5 size, and of course for the classic happy planner. Next up, I have the August kit, and I went with a lemon theme, so like a lemonade type of vibe, and mainly yellow. And of course, all of these kits do match the colors in the Erin Condren planners. Of course, this year they've gone with a theme, like the wave theme is very colorful, so it's going to be hard to kind of like escape all of that color. But anyway, if you have a neutral like I do, this will be right up your alley. But here is the washi, and then we have yellow for everything else, except the scripts, of course. This is the September kit with a purple theme. September is my birth month, so I wanted to find something pretty cute for September. So this is what I have picked out, and this is what everything looks like. And then let me show you one more example. This is an example of one of my full page trackers. This is for September, of course, but this is just for savings and with the numbers, but you can get savings, no numbers. You can get car loan tracker, you know, credit card tracker, house loan trackers. They're in my shop, so you can check out those if you want these. If you don't see them listed in the shop, then you can always message me and ask for one of these. And of course, I can always customize these. Sometimes customizations are going to require a fee. It just depends on how much I have to customize. If I have to buy a new kit or buy a new pattern for you or buy a new font or something like that, or a new clip art, then of course that's going to be a fee. But if it's something quick, I normally just do that for the free ski. And of course I'll have some that match the August theme and the July theme as well. So now let's go ahead and look at the stickers in the actual planner, and then that is pretty much going to be it for this video. So I just want to show you guys what July looks like. I am in natural lighting. Short of being outside, I'm in the most natural lighting that I can be in. So there are the builder stickers and the payday flags, and of course the washi strips are designed to fit perfectly across the top of there, which they do. And also I just wanted to show you guys that some of the stickers in the back of the planner actually match the kit, which was purposeful. So I try to make everything, you know, kind of cohesive. And then these are the stickers that are going to come with the kit. And then just to show you guys what the budget page would look like, assuming that you use your planner the same way that I use mine or similarly, or the sticker kit rather. This is what that page would look like. Of course, if you get the full kit, then you get more washi strips. Maybe you can put some of like the thin washi ones that look like that. Maybe you can put them over here to cover up some of this foolishness. But yeah, that is kind of killing my vibe, but such is life. But anyway, that is July. And let me show you guys August. This is August. I really want to make this a lowercase, and I might. I hate the uppercase A in this font. It just really makes the sticker uneven and weird. I don't know, I hate it. Anyway, these stickers do match. There aren't any yellow stickers back there, but the teal looking ones will match this as well. And then there are the payday flags. And then let me show you what my August budget looks like. And then let me show you September, my birth month. Super cute purple stickers in the back that match. And then there are the payday flags, top washi. And where did I set up my budget sheet? I set up my budget sheet here. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, you know, the kits and what they would look like if you were to use them similarly to what or how I use them. All right, you guys, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys my new releases, and that's pretty much it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and the new releases, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.